So, couple things we can do. Let's say this person talk.
Saved on your desktop to a safe and secure location on the BHCC network.
We're gonna make a cut by hitting C. And then we hit A to push everything backward first. The reason why I cut here because maybe we need to give a little breathing ground, and that's how we extend the audio. You can use plus to open up a little further. So go find a gap, okay, to cut it. So now, if we want this person to speak earlier, on the next line, all we do is we still selecting the A key and just push this forward. See, that's how you join them. If you think that you want longer duration, you just drag that way. Why do I use A? Because now, of course, I don't have a lot of things behind me. But if I use A, I can basically move both together. So it's better to tell you, get used to that too. It's gonna be an advantage for you in the future. Let's continue our journey. Okay, so now we have an issue here is
on the BHCC network.
We do want this gap.
BHCC network.
But then the background noise suddenly went to China.
BHCC network.
To repair that gap, take some of the background noise and duplicate and put it in. In order to do that, learn a key called duplicate. You hold Option and then you click on your mouse, you hold it, don't let go, and just drag. So is that clear? Basically, that's how you edit audio.